Hi friends, let me show you my new Fotree step stool. As you can see, it's large enough. It's aimed for elderly people that need help to get inside a car or to get in a kind of tall stair or to get up to the bed. Whatever you can imagine an elderly people need or a senior people need help to get up or down, this step stool will help you. As you can see, it's not that tall. It's just a helping device, a helping stool, so anyone can reach to get up in the car, to get up in the bed, to help you get up on a stair. Any kind of help like that you need. This is great because it has this non-slippery surface. It's large enough, so it's not a problem to find it or to hit it. It's large enough for anyone with both feet to stand on it. Okay, so if you or someone you love need it, I think it's really recommended to help anyone to get up on anything that they need: a car, a bed, a stair, whatever you need. Thank you.